Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honor Mrs. Nikmatu Inayah as a lecturer from Methodology Accounting 3F. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Tia Kurnia Handayani from Accounting 3F, Semarang Polytechnic, Semarang State of Polytechnic. Now, I want to present my project. My final project is analysis of income tax calculation and reporting Article 22 and income tax Article 23 on Karunia Jaya Company in 2024. So first is I want to present about table of content. One is background to the formula problem. 3 objective, 4 benefit, 5 literature review, 6 research methodology. The first is background. Taxes are one of the main components of Indonesia economy who serves as a source of financing to fund the state budget. Next is income tax is an unofficial levy aimed at people whose income is received or earned in the tax year to finance state expense. Income tax has a legal basis that regulates income tax. Article 22 Import income tax is an income tax imposed when importing goods from outside the custom area into the custom area. Article 23 is a tax deduction on income received or earned by domestic taxpayer or individual entities and permanent business from origination from capital. Income subject to income tax Article 23 include dividends, royalty, interest, gift, rent from other income, and remuneration from engineering services management, construction service, consultant services. Kurnia Jaya, as a company active in the trade and services sector, is involved in transactions subject to income tax Article 22 and Article 23. With the complexity of tax regulation, constituting of development, companies are faced with the challenge in ensuring compliance with application regulation. The next is the formula of the problem. The first is what is mechanism for calculate. Next is the formula of problem. First is what is mechanism for calculating income tax Article 22 and Article 23 at Karunia Jaya Company. And the next is the calculation of income tax Article 22 and Article 23 carried out by Karunia Jaya Company by in compliance with accompaniments tax regulation. The next is what is the obstacle faced by Karunia Jaya Company in implementing tax obligation related to income tax Article 22 and Article 23. And then the next is what is obstacle faced by Karunia Jaya Company in implementing tax obligation related to income tax Article 22 and Article 23, and what solution can be implemented. And the next is the objective. 1. Analyze the calculation mechanism for the income tax Article 22 and Article 23 at Karunia Jaya Company. Number 2 is evaluate the sustainability of tax calculation with the tax regulation applicants in Indonesia. Number 3 is identify the obstacle faced by the company and provide recommendation to increase efficiency and compliance in tax management. And the next is can the benefit. Number 1 is can find out the sustainability of the calculation of income tax Article 22 and Article 23 with applicable tax regulation. Number 2 is this result can be used as input for the Karunia Jaya Company regarding the correct calculation, withholding and reporting of the income tax Article 22 and 23 in accordance with applicable tax regulation. Number 3, as a reference material for Semarang State Polytechnic student or for future research regarding the calculation, withholding, and reporting of income tax Article 22 and 23. And the next is Literature review. First is taxes. Definition of tax. Taxes are mandatory contribution imposed by state or individual or business entities based on the law, without direct compensation, and are used to finance their needs the needs of the state in order to improve people welfare. The second is tax function. The number one is budgeter function. Number two is tax regulation function. Number three, tax equity or retribution. Number four is stability function. And then the next is tax collection procedure. The first is self-assessment system. The number two is the official assessment system. Number three is tax withholding system. The next is income taxes. Income tax is a tax imposed on every additional economic ability received or obtained by taxpayers, both individual and entities in one tax year, which is used for consumption or to increase wealth in accordance with the provisions of law and regulation. The next is income tax Article 22. Is a tax collected by the government, treasury, state, regional, and own enterprise or other participants or partisan appointment by the government or certain transaction. This tax aims to increase government oversight of trade activities and support state revenue. And the next is tax, the rate of the income tax Article 22. Varies according to the type of good as transaction carried out. The tariff imposed good can range from 2.5% to 7.5% of the value of imports. The tariff for purchase by government against is 1.5% of the purchase price. And the next is payment. Taxes that can be collected must be deposited by the tax collector into the state treasury within a certain period of the time, usually no later than. The next is income tax Article 23. Income tax Article 23 is a tax imposed on income derived from capital derived or services or gift or that can be subject to income tax Article 21. The next is the tax rate income tax Article 23. Income tax Article 23 rate varies depending on the type of income. For example, 15% of the gross amount of dividend, interest, and royalty, and 2% of the gross amount of income from certain services. The next is payment. The tax must be deposited by withholding party into the state treasury no later than 10 of the following months. And the last is reporting. Tax withholding is required to report withholding through the Article 23 income tax return 20 the following month. And then the next is data classification. Type of data by nature. Quantitative data is a data is in the form of numbers or can be calculated numerically. And then the next is calculative data. Is data in the form of the description of narrative can not be measured numerically. In this study, tax reporting reduced on internet company policies related tax Article 22 and Article 23. The next is type of data. Based on search primary data, in this study primary data was obtained through interview with the financial staff Karunia Jaya Company and direct observation of the tax calculation and reporting process. And secondary data used include company financial documents, applicable tax regulation, and literature related to income tax Article 22 and 23. And the next is data collection method. Documentation is carried out by collecting and studying related documents such as financial statement, tax withholding evidence, and other tax documents related to income tax Article 22 and Article 23 at Karunia Jaya Company. And the next interview were conducted with related parties such as financial staff, accountant, and tax manager of Karunia Jaya Company to get in-depth information about parties of calculating and reporting income tax. The next is observation. Observation was carried out to see firsthand the process of calculating and reporting income tax Article 22 and Article 23 at Karunia Jaya Kami. The next is writing systematic. Number one is background to literature review through research methodology for result and discussion, 5 and closing. And that's that enough for my presentation. Thank you for your attention.